Hey, what's up? My name is Nathan. Hi, I'm Kim.
And my name's Heath.
Hi, my name is Samantha.
Hey, everybody, my name's Emily.
Test. And we're gonna show you around Sailfish Splash Waterpark.
Is this thing working? Let's check out the lazy river. Come here and look.
This part has everything, but my favorite is the splash behind me.
The best part of this is these massive slides. We're gonna go check them out.
Hello. Emily, are you even tall enough for the slide?
Of course I am. I gotta go down this big slide first.
Check this out. This is called Wiggly Waters. It's hard. You gotta balance. Well, this wraps us up from Sailfish Splash Waterpark.
We hope you have a great time.
We sure had fun showing you guys around.
If you want to have fun too, come to Sailfish Splash Waterpark.
Woo! Woo!